Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss about computer network. After watching the video you will learn computer network, need for networking, advantages of network, disadvantages of network. So let's talk about introduction to computer network. The question is, what is computer network? When this term we will see, one thing comes to mind, that is network means somewhere interconnectivity, and if it attached with the computer, then I would say interconnectivity of computers. Let's go with technicality. According to computer scientist and professor Andrew S. Tannenbaum, computer network is an interconnected collection of computers. In general term, I would say it is a set of computers connected together for the purpose of sharing information, resources, devices, and many more. The most common resource shared today is connection to the internet, and or I would say internet. Other shared resources can include a printer, scanner, or a file server. So, network is sharing of information and resources. Let's have some example for the same. Let's suppose I'm having 10 computers in a networking system, and I have given in definition sharing of resources or sharing of device. Means एक मेरे पास 10 कंप्यूटर्स का ग्रुप है जिसमें एक प्रिंटर अटैच है, एंड हियर आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर दिस सिंगल प्रिंटर बिटवीन और अमंग द 10 computers. So just in case whenever any computer required to take print out using this printer, then that machine, it may be computer 1, it may be computer 2, it may be computer 8, it may be computer 9, any of the available machine can give the command to this connected printer. That means we do not need to purchase any other printer, we can use only this single printer among the connected all devices, or likewise we can use a single scanner between among all the available devices within the network. Here a term comes into mind, that is networking system, a kind of system in which all the computers, more than one systems, are interconnected with each other. Such kind of system is known as networking system. These all are related to technicality. Okay, let's talk about some real life example. Suppose you want to take out cash from ATM machine. So whenever you are inserting your card and taking out the money from ATM machine, this is an example of networking. One more example I would suggest. Suppose you are booking your railway ticket, your flight ticket, bus ticket. These all will be considered as a network. And the cable TV that comes to your room, your home, your flat, that is also the example of computer network. So in every walk of life or around us, we are using computer network in any ways. So these all are example of computer network. Here you can see the diagrammatical representation of computer, how the systems are connected in a networking system. Here you can see these systems are connected through a device, that is switch, and here we have shared a printer. So whatever the system is going to give the command, that command goes to this printer that is connected to this networking system. Here few terms available that are totally technical terms, like switch, modem, router, client, server. These all the terms related to networking system that we will discuss in upcoming videos. Here we will discuss in brief. Client means a, a type of computer, a kind of computer that send the request for opening a particular website, opening a particular file, opening a particular information is called client, and server is a machine, is a computer in networking system that respond, that reply the request raised by the client. In switch, it's a networking device that helps us in connecting other devices to each other. Modem, it is used to pass the internet connection to the available devices within the network. Router is used to pass on the data packets. So these all are term in this diagram. One more thing we have left, that is wireless devices. Yes, we have two types of connection, wired connection and wireless connection. So wireless connection means there is no requirement of wires for the connectivity. As you can see in this diagram here, all the devices connected through the wires. So this is wired connection, wired devices, and here you will see no device is using wires. That is why these all consider under the wireless connection or wireless network. Next, need for networking. So question is, हमें networking की जरूरत क्यों पड़ी? Actually, we were in the need of like हमें एक ऐसे सिस्टम की जरूरत थी जो जिसकी हेल्प से हम इंफॉर्मेशन को शेयर कर सके, एंड जो बहुत ही रिलायबल हो, एंड जिसमें कम्युनिकेशन अच्छे से हो सके, स्पीड के साथ इंस्टेंट मैसेज को भेजा जा सके, एंड दैट शुड ऑल्सो बी कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव. तो ये सारी प्रॉब्लम्स को ओवरकम कर रहा था नेटवर्किंग. सो दिस इज द नीड that has come to us, and through this need we will able to use networking. After such kind of need, or after for resolving such kind of need, we have started using networking system. So here, number one, resource sharing. Yes, that's true. The aim to make all programs, data and peripherals available to anyone on the network, irrespective of physical location of the resources and the user. Yes, this is the best example of networking. Networking means sharing of resources, data, information between or among the users, irrespective of their locations. They may be any other remote location, they may be nearby location, or they may be in nearby offices. We can share the information. Here you will see a term peripheral. Here peripheral means a kind of devices. It may be input device or output device that is not the integral part of the computer, but that can be connected with the computer using USB port. It may be a printer, scanner, joystick, barcode reader, or some other kind of devices. Comes under peripherals. And next is reliability. Here the term reliability means the quality of being trustworthy or of performing in a better way. That was the quality of networking system. Say, like a file can have copies on two or more machines. So if one of the machine is unavailable due to hardware crash or some other problem, then we can access that particular file through some other system available in the networking. That is the quality of networking system. Means anyhow we can access a particular information. That is very much important at this point of time. Next, cost effective. As we have discussed earlier in need of networking, yes, it is cost effective because we can use only single printer between 10 or more computers, or more computers we can use single scanner between more than one computer, so it's very cost effective. Personal computer have better price performance rather than microcomputers, so it's better to have PC or one PC with data on one shared file server. Next, communication medium. Communication medium using a network. It is possible for managers working far apart to prepare financial report of the company. The changes at one end can immediately noticed at another end, and hence it speeds up cooperation among them. Means through networking, communication is very fast. We can send instant messages, and if the manager of the company is setting a remote location, he or she can do any changes, and that changes can be shown to all the staff of the company. So communication, good communication medium is available in networking. Next, advantages of computer network. Number one, share resources. Yes, that's true. Such as printer, sharing scanner. This is cheaper than buying equipment for each computer. So it would be cost effective. Share storage. Yes, that's true. Being able to access file from any machine on the network can share the data. We can share any of the file available in any of the system that is connected in networking. Can share software. Means software can be installed centrally rather than on each machine. This is cheaper than buying license for each and every machine. Means we can purchase a single software and we can use this particular software by more than one machines. Improve communication. Messages can be sent instantly and available of information is very good. It is highly flexible. It is inexpensive system, and it boosts storage capacity of the system as we are sharing storage. Inexpensive because we are sharing a single device between or among more than one systems. Next, disadvantages of computer network. As we all know that everything has some pluses and minuses. So, computer network is also having few disadvantages in it. Number one, the systems are more sophisticated and complex to run. This can add to cost, and you may need specialist staff to handle the network. Means the networking system that we have designed to interconnect the system, it requires a technical expertise or technical person that can handle the networking. Number two, if the software, as we have discussed previously, we can share software, we can install a software centrally. But if in case if the central server fails, then all the work will be goes down. All the networking system will be goes down. People become reliant on the communication. If it fails, it can cause havoc. Means everything is speed up. Every work is very easy using networking. So people become reliant of this. If it fails, it can cause havoc. Next, file security is more important, especially if connected to a WAN. Means there is a lot of chances of viruses, spread of viruses that poses security difficulties. These all are the negatives or demerits of network system.